Last but not the least, actually we are very fortunate to have him tonight. Kasi kanina pa umaga kasama ko na to, 8 AM for the opening of our IIE Expo. Wala pa po itong pahinga. And tomorrow will be the big day for IIE because of the opening of the National Convention. But still, he is committed to support UPEP, to support this activity. Kaya po nandito pa rin siya kahit na talagang napaka-haba na ng araw na ito. So our next speaker is a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering graduate from the Mapua Institute of Technology in year 1988. He is currently the General Manager of Ujihaya Audit Inspection and Maintenance Group since 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the IIEE. We call him the Golden National President. The President of IIEE, Engineer Alberto Herrera Jr.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. It is a distinct honor to join you tonight as we celebrate the 8th UPEP Annual National Convention. And I believe mamaya the induction of the 2026 Board of Directors and of course the grand reunion of our esteemed professional electrical engineers. This occasion is not just a gathering, it is a testament to the excellence, the dedication, and the enduring legacy of our profession. To the incoming Board of Directors, congratulations. Leadership is a call to serve, to inspire, and to uphold the highest standards of integrity and professionalism. As you step into this responsibility, know that your role is pivotal, not only in guiding your peers, but in shaping the future of electrical engineering in our country. Lead with vision, humility, and courage. To my fellow professional electrical engineers, your commitment to excellence and mentorship continues to light the way for the next generation of practitioners. Your achievement, dedication, and passion reflect the true spirit of our profession. Tonight, we celebrate not your accomplishment, but the community we have built together. IIE has always stood for unity, innovation, and service. In times of challenges and change, it is our shared commitment that strengthens UPEP and empowers us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. This evening is a reminder that we are part of something greater than ourselves, a community that shapes the profession, uplifts our membership, and contributes to national progress. Let tonight inspire us to carry forward our mission with renewed dedication to mentor, to innovate, and to lead with integrity. Congratulations again in the 2026 Board of Directors. Mabuhay ang mga professional electrical engineer. Mabuhay ang UPEP. Maraming salamat po and may you enjoy a meaningful and celebratory evening. Good evening po.